Hello, let us solve for x in this exponential problem. 5 raised to power x is equal to 500. Find x. I'm going to start with taking the logarithm of both sides, and that will give us log 5 raised to power x is equal to log 500. The left hand side is of the form log a raised to power m, which is expressed as m log a. Therefore, this becomes x log 5. So I have x log 5 is equal to log 500. I can divide through by log 5. So x is equal to log 500 divided by log 5. What we're going to do next is split 500 in such a way that it becomes 5 times 100. But 100 itself is 25 times 4. So this is 5 times 5 squared. 25 is 5 squared, then times 4. Or this is going to be 5 raised to power 3 times 4. So x is equal to log 5 raised to power 3 times 4 divided by log 5. And remember, the logarithm of two products, such as a times b, is expressed as their individual sums, the sum of their individual logarithms, so plus log b. Therefore, x here can be expressed as x is equal to log 5 raised to power 3 plus log 4, then all divided by log 5. We can also separate this division into x is equal to log 5 raised to power 3 divided by log 5, then plus log 5, log 4 divided by log 5. We apply one of the laws we used earlier to rewrite x, so that this gives us x is equal to 3 log 5 divided by log 5, then plus log 4 divided by log 5. This here will cancel this, and we are left with 3. So that x becomes 3 plus log 4 divided by log 5. 4 here is 2 raised to power 2. So I can write this as x is equal to 3 plus log 2 raised to power 2 divided by log 5. And x is equal to 3 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 5. x is equal to 3 plus, this is 2 times log 2 divided by log 5. This expression here is of the form log A divided by log B, and this is expressed as log A base B. And we can now express x as 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5. This will be the final answer to this problem. To verify, we have 5 raised to power x is equal to 500, and now we have x is equal to 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5. We're going to replace x with this new value and see if it balances 500. So that is going to be 5 raised to power 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5. And we are checking to see if this is equal to 500. By law of indices, I can separate this power. Remember that a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Therefore, this will give us 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5 is equal to 500. 5 raised to power 3 is 125, so we have 125 times, I'll transfer this to over here to give me 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 2 base 5 is equal to 500. And that is 125 times 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 is equal to 500. By law of logarithm, recall that a raised to power log b base a is always b. Therefore, 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 will always be 4. Therefore, we would have 125 times 4 is equal to 500. Now, 125 times 4. This looks like a big multiplication, but we can break it down into 125 times 2 times 2 equals to 500. And now we see that this is 250 times 2 equal to 500. And 250 times 2 is 500, which is equal to 500, which makes our solution correct. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye.